The BJP is protesting right now at different 14 locations in Delhi. Aditya is joining us live. Aditya, the big question is whether we will see the Law Minister appear in person before the DCW today.
Well, certainly that is the big question, but certainly the Law Minister not speaking much. Of course, the Aam Aadmi Party Political Affairs Committee has warned him, has said that he should not speak to the media, he should avoid. Here behind me, the Bharatiya Janata Party continues to protest. This protest continues in 14 different locations at this moment. In fact, you can see senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Vijay Goyal speaking, and Aarti Mehra also joining in the protest. They are demanding that
ना वो झुग्गी झोंपड़ियों में मिलता है, ना वो पानी स्लम के अंदर मिलता है, ना वो पानी जिनके यहाँ मीटर नहीं लगे उनको मिलता है, ना वो पानी जिनके मीटर खराब है उनको भी मिलता है। 5 से 10% लोगों को भी वो 700 लीटर पानी नहीं मिल रहा और वाह लूटने के लिए अखबारों के अंदर इंटरव्यू देते हैं।
All right, Aditya, we are looking at those live visuals coming into us. We are looking at senior BJP leaders in Delhi, in fact, sitting on that sit-in protest. Also, take us through what really are they planning now through the day, especially when it comes down to Somnath Bharti.
That's right, the BJP wants to continue this agitation. That's what Vijay Goyal, the senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, told me when I asked him that will this be a one-day affair because they are clearly frustrated with the Aam Aadmi Party's rise in Delhi. Clearly, they were not expected to form the government, but clearly Vijay Goyal is saying that this will not be a one-day affair. Of course, they are protesting today across 14 different locations, but they will clearly launch an agitation if the Aam Aadmi Party decides to not take any action. If, in fact, even the Delhi government and the Arvind Kejriwal sit behind their Law Minister, clearly the BJP in no mood to relent on this. Here you can see these visuals of the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership in Delhi protesting and demanding the resignation and in fact removal of Somnath Bharti. They say allegedly racist slur against the Ugandan community on the Khirki extension episode that happened midnight almost a week ago. So clearly mounting pressure on the Aam Aadmi Party leadership and the Delhi government to take some kind of action on Somnath Bharti, but it will have to be seen whether the judicial inquiry that has been launched by the governor clearly indicts the Law Minister in this case. But yesterday we saw Yogendra Yadav, the chief spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, coming ahead and saying that not clear evidence was there against Somnath Bharti, and also there is no amount of corruption or wrongdoing on his part. So clearly the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi government at this moment supporting and backing their Law Minister, but certainly the controversy over his role in that vigilante justice not really clearing at this moment. The BJP and the Congress both mounting pressure for his removal. Back to you.
All right, Aditya, then it's a rather aggressive BJP. You stay with me. Before that, let's also play out this reaction we've got from the senior BJP leader Vijay Goyal on what really is telling us more about the protests against the Delhi Law Minister.
People are frustrated with Aam Aadmi Party because they are not doing anything. They have forgotten their all promises of electricity, water, Jan Lokpal bill, and contractual labors, etc., etc. And I think they have violated the constitution also, though they have taken the oath of the constitution. And now we are staging this dharna to demand the removal of Law Minister Somnath Bharti because of their act.
But why do you think the Somnath Bharti, the Law Minister, did not do things as per law, as per constitution? Why are you seeking his removal?
सोमनाथ भारती के खिलाफ 4 चीजें हैं जी। सबसे पहली चीज है उन्होंने बिना अपने अधिकार के जिला जजों की मीटिंग बुलाई। उससे भी बड़ी चीज है जब वो वकील थे तो उन्होंने गवाहों और सबूतों के साथ छेड़छाड़ की। और अभी सोमनाथ भारती ने जिस तरीके से अपने अधिकार क्षेत्र का दुरुपयोग करते हुए विदेशी महिलाओं के साथ दुर्व्यवहार किया, मोलेस्टेशन किया, छेड़खानी की, युगांडा की युवतियों ने उनके खिलाफ कंप्लेंट किया, तो व्हाई दिस गवर्नमेंट इज प्रोटेक्टिंग दी सोमनाथ भारती? वी वांट टू नो. सो वी वांट रिमूवल ऑफ सोमनाथ भारती.
दिल्ली सरकार के कानून मंत्री श्री सोमनाथ भारती को निर्दोष बताते हुए उनके खिलाफ कोई भी किसी भी तरह का एक्शन लेने के लिए अपनी स्वीकृति नहीं दी। तब मैंने रात को ये ट्वीट किया था कि अब जब आम आदमी के नाम पर बनी AA पार्टी के सार्वजनिक तौर पर किए गए जनता के साथ, महिलाओं के साथ, कानून के साथ दुर्व्यवहार को एक्नॉलेज नहीं करती है, तो एएपी का मतलब एरोगेंस एट पीक, एरोगेंस एट पीक, एंड दिस इज द बिगनिंग ऑफ द एंड ऑफ एएपी।